Let me tell you about the Beckham's shocking secret. So, we all know about, Beckham family, the perfect Beckham family. For decades, they were the golden standard, the epitome of glamour, success, and a picture perfect family. David and Victoria Beckham, a global empire built on a flawless image. But what if that image was nothing but a crafted lie? This is Brooklyn Beckham, the eldest son, and he has just dropped a bombshell that has shattered the illusion and sent shock waves across the world. He's not just leaving the nest, he's burning the bridge. As he said, I refuse to reconcile. He also claims that his entire life has been controlled, his identity surpassed, all for the sake of the Beckham brand. And the deepest cuts? That happened on the happiest day of his life. That was the wedding. The wedding of Brooklyn Beckham and Nicola Peltz was supposed to be a fairy tale, but behind the scenes, a bitter war was going on. Victoria Beckham, the fashion icon, refused to design Nicola's wedding dress at the last minute, leaving the bride scrambling. Imagine that betrayal on your big day. By the way, that should not supposed to be happen to anyone because it is actually very disgusting. Even more shocking, Brooklyn claims his parents tried to bribe him to sign away his own naming rights, impacting his future children all before he even said I do. He flat out refused. And what about the ultimate disrespect? Victoria illegally hijacked his first dance with Nicola, making it about herself. Can you imagine your own mother stealing your most intimate wedding moment? That's something really ridiculous. The fallout of immediate, Brooklyn didn't just walk away. He cut them off. He blocked his entire family, his parents, his siblings from his social media. So no birthday celebration, no family milestone. The once inseparable Beckhams are now fractured, publicly for the world to see. And Brooklyn says this isn't just about drama, it's about his mental health, about escaping overwhelming anxiety caused by a lifetime of control, and for the first time, he stood up for himself, for his peace. He's choosing independence, he's choosing Nicola, he's choosing himself, and he's daring to expose the uncomfortable truth behind one of the most iconic family. David Beckham's only public response so far was children makes mistake. But is this a mistake? Or is son finally standing up for himself? This isn't just a celebrity spat. It's a raw emotional battle about, family, control, and the right to live your own path. It's about the pressure of legacy versus personal freedom. Now the question is, who do you side with? Let us know in the comment below, and I just want to ask you one more question. Have you ever felt controlled by your own family? Do you think Brooklyn is justified or he's gone too far? Hit the like button if this drama shocked you. Subscribe for more explosive celebrity insight and share this video to everyone who needs to hear this story. This is more than just a gossip, it's a statement.